Hi everyone, this is Leonard Hall here in the Information Technology Services Department here at Georgia Highlands College. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick intro on OneDrive. A lot of people have asked the question, what exactly is OneDrive? Well, OneDrive is a powerful cloud-based storage system and part of the Office 365 product family. I'm pretty sure you've all noticed that around Christmas holidays we made a transition from our old webmail to Office 365. Well, Office 365 is not just webmail. It includes an online version of powerful products like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and OneNote, but it also contains some great new features, and OneDrive is one of them. If you're familiar with Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox, then you should be fairly familiar with the features of OneDrive. But let's go ahead and get started, and let's look at why we should use OneDrive. Okay, let's ask the question, why should we use OneDrive? Well, for starters, you can securely store all your files using the latest in cloud-based technology. If you know anything about the cloud, then you know that if you save a file in the cloud, it's there. You don't have to worry about a corrupt hard drive or a lost jump drive. It's always there, and it's backed up safely and securely for you to be able to access anytime that you need to. Another thing with the cloud technology, and specifically OneDrive, you can access your files anywhere there is internet access. Some of you guys use the network storage, the H and the Z drive that we have here. Well, they're only limited to 1 gigabyte of storage, and you can only access them when you're connected to the Highlands network. While with OneDrive, anywhere you have internet access, you can get your information. Also, you can share your files with anyone inside or outside of the organization with just a few clicks. And in the future demo, I'll be showing you guys the many different ways you can do that. And also, you can synchronize your data across PCs, tablets, phones, and many other mobile devices. Me being the techie that I am, I have it on my iPad, my iMac, my iPhone, and my MacBook, and I probably even have a Windows PC somewhere with OneDrive on it. But all that information is shared safely and securely, and is synced up to its latest versions. That's amazing. Okay, so let's look at how to access OneDrive, shall we? Okay, the easiest way to access OneDrive is to access Office 365. The easiest way to access Office 365 is to open up any web browser and in the address bar type in highlands.edu/webmail. You can also go to portal.office365.com. As you can see, I've already logged in and we're looking at the dashboard of Office 365. And hopefully you guys will already recognize a few icons that you should be familiar with, like Outlook, Word Online, Excel Online, PowerPoint Online, OneNote Online, Calendar, and People. But let's go and get started with OneDrive. So let's click on the OneDrive icon. Okay, when I clicked on the OneDrive icon, it brought me to the main page of OneDrive, which is the Documents folder. And it's just like the Documents folder that's on your computer. As you can see, I've already placed some information here. I have a H drive stuff folder, which is the folder that I use to take my H drive files and place them in my OneDrive, and we'll go over how to do that in a future demonstration. I've also got a couple of OneNote folders, and we'll go over that in a future demonstration as well. And then also I have the Shared with Everyone folder. The Shared with Everyone folder is a folder that shows up in everyone's account. And this folder is pre-configured so that anything you place inside that folder, it'll be automatically set to be shared with everyone. And we'll go over that in a future demonstration as well. But today I just wanted to get you guys into OneDrive and show you what it looks like around and show you a few things you can do. One thing that I really love about OneDrive is that I can create any of my Office documents right here from OneDrive without having to go into them. And we do this by clicking on the New button. Now once I click on the New button, it pops up a box and gives me the option to create a Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote notebook, an Excel survey, and even a new folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a Word document. And I'll do that by simply clicking on Word document. As you can see, OneDrive opened up Word Online and gave me a blank document. So, and we can do a few things in here, like let's go ahead and name the document. Okay, and now let's enter some content into the file. Now, normally, if I was using Microsoft Word, I would have to go and save my work in order for it to be there. But that's the beautiful thing about OneDrive and the Microsoft Office Online products. It saves every last character, every change that you make to a document. So there's no going back and saving it. It's automatically saved for you. And to see this, just click on this little bar in the top left corner. Click on OneDrive. And there you see our document called test. That's awesome. And now we can go and create a folder for this. Once again, we'll click on the new button. Select new folder. Name our folder. Click create. And now we have a folder called test. Now watch this. We can move that document into the test folder by highlighting it, moving the mouse over the icon, left clicking and dragging, and then releasing past the test folder. The next thing I want to show you is how you can take a file that's saved locally on your computer and place it into OneDrive. For this demo, we'll do the file upload the standard way, but you can also do it by just clicking and dragging a file onto the Documents folder of OneDrive, letting it go, and it will upload automatically. But like I said, for this demo, let's do it the standard way by clicking Upload. Now once I click Upload, it gives me an open box, and that allows me to search my computer for the file that I want to add to OneDrive. And for this one, we're going to look for a file that's on my desktop, so I'll click Desktop. Okay, now once I'm at my desktop, I'll need to scroll down and locate the file that I want to add to OneDrive. There it is. Okay, so I'll highlight the file. And then once the file is populated the file name box, I'll click Open. And as you see, OneDrive uploaded my heritage file into the Documents folder. Now let's say that I no longer wanted this heritage file in my OneDrive. All I have to do is highlight it. And then once it's highlighted, I'll click on Manage. And then from the Manage menu, I select Delete. And once I press Delete, it gives me a confirmation to let me know it's going to send to the site's recycle bin, but I'll click OK. And there you see the file is deleted. Okay, that's really all the time we have for this particular demo, but don't worry, we have a lot of demos coming up. One of the next demos we'll be talking about is sharing, how to share files and how to share folders and how to collaborate on documents. And also we'll be going over how to move your stuff from your H and Z drive to your OneDrive. Now, who can use OneDrive? OneDrive is currently available to all faculty, staff, and students as part of the Office 365 product family. So if you have a working Highlands.edu email address, chances are you already have OneDrive. It's simply log in to highlands.edu/webmail, log in with your email and password, and you're right there on the dashboard and able to use OneDrive as we talked about in the previous slide. And finally, we'd love for you guys to just grab a hold of OneDrive and the rest of the Office 365 product suite and just dive right in. But we understand you're going to need some help, and that's what we're here for. For starters, you guys could go to the Office 365 Learning Center that's been set up on support.office.com, and the URL should be right on the screen right now. But also, as far as Highlands is concerned, you can submit a help desk ticket at rt@highlands.edu, and one of the members in Client Technology will be more than happy to give you guys a hand. Alright, once again, my name is Leonard Hall, and I want to thank you guys for your time, and stay tuned for more tutorials coming up regarding Office 365. You have a great day.